Good afternoon to all of you. Dear friends, we are all in this auditorium to witness oath-taking ceremony and inaugural function of Students' Council 2021-22. We begin our today's program with invocation.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। यश्चन्दसां वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोभ्योऽध्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासम् शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ तत्सत्। श्रीरामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
I request revered Swami Yukteshananji Maharaj, correspondent of Vidyashala, to deliver welcome address. Revered Swamiji.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Our respectful pranams to Revered Adhyaksha Swamiji. Revered Swamiji, we reverentially welcome you to this oath-taking ceremony and Students' Council inauguration program of the academic year 2021-22. Swamiji. My loving namaskars and welcome to all the monastic members present here. Our regards, namaskars and warm welcome to Principal Shri S. Balaji. Our regards, good wishes and welcome to all the members of the staff assembled here. Our very good wishes and loving welcome to all the members of the Students' Council and all the dear students assembled here. Wish you all the best. To close, I recall the words of Swami Vivekananda regarding his expectation of the type of youth that are required. Quote, men, these are wanted. Everything else will be ready. But strong, vigorous, believing young men, sincere to the backbone, are wanted. Quote again, I want some strongly built, serviceable boys of character. Unquote. Swamiji's expectations should be our goal. Education here in Vidyashala is aimed at that. And this constitution of the Students' Council every year is a part of the training to reach that goal. May the Holy Trio inspire us, guide us, protect us, and bless us all. Jai Ramakrishna.
Now I request revered Swamijis and respected principal to light the traditional lamp which symbolizes the inauguration of Students' Council 2021-22. Next program is bhajan by our student.
मूर्त महेश्वर उज्ज्वल भास्कर इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् मूर्त महेश्वर उज्ज्वल भास्कर इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् वन्दे वेदतनुभूर्जित गहित कामकाञ्चनवन्दम् वन्दे वेदतनुभूर्जित गहित कामकाञ्चनवन्दम् मूर्तमहेश्वर उज्ज्वल भास्कर इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् कोटि भानुकर दीप्त सिंहमः कोटि भानुकर दीप्त सिंहमः अभिरभिमुखभान्तम् कोटि भानुकर दीप्त सिंहमः कटितटकोटिरवन्दम् अभिरभिहुङ्कारनादितदिन्मुख अभिरभिहुङ्कारनादितदिन्मुख प्रचण्ड ताण्डवनृत्यम् अभिरभिहुङ्कारनादितदिन्मुख प्रचण्ड ताण्डवनृत्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वर उज्ज्वल भास्कर विश्वममर नरवन्द्यम् भुक्ति मुक्ति कृपा कटाक्ष श्रीक्षण भुक्ति मुक्ति कृपा कटाक्ष प्रेक्षण मघदल विदलन दक्षम् भुक्ति मुक्ति कृपा कटाक्ष प्रेक्षण मघदल विदलन दक्षम् बालचन्द्रधर विन्दुवन्द्यमिह बालचन्द्रधर विन्दुवन्द्यमिह नौमि गुरु विवेकानन्दम् बालचन्द्रधर विन्दुवन्द्यमिह नौमि गुरु विवेकानन्दम् नरवन्द्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वर उज्ज्वल भास्कर मेष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम्.
ಈ ಸಾಲಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಕುರಿತು ಒಂದು ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತ ವರದಿ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇವೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ 50% ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂಬ ಅರಿವಿಲ್ಲ. 2021-22ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾದ ಇಂದಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದ ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಗುಣ ಬೆಳೆಸುವುದು ಈ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಜೂನ್ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಈ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಕೊನೆಯ ದಿನ ಅಂದರೆ 30ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಚಲಾಯಿಸಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ ಸುಮಾರು 15-16 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಯಾರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ನಡೆಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದ 157 ಅರ್ಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಶಾಲೆಯ 4 ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಬಳಸಿ ಮತ ಚಲಾಯಿಸಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಅಂದೇ ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಸಾರಿಯ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವು ಪ್ರತಿ ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಮತವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸಿದಾಗಲೂ ಬಹಳ ಕುತೂಹಲವನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಂತಿಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಹೊರಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ 1 ವೋಟಿನಿಂದಲೂ ಮತ್ತು ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ 2 ವೋಟುಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಜಯಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಚ್ಚರಿ ಮೂಡಿಸಿತು. ಈ ಸಾರಿಯ ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಪ್ರಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳೂ ಸಹ ಅಧಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದವು. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಬರೆದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಆ ದಿನವೇ ಘೋಷಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಚುನಾಯಿತರಾದ 4 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲದೆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿವಿಧ ಇಲಾಖೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲು ಆಯಾಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಕರು ಈಗ ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರ ಮತ್ತು ಗುರುಗಳ ಮತ್ತು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಗ್ರಂಥಗಳ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ವಚನವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. Now I request respected principal to administer oath of office to the 4 office bearers of Students' Council.
We, having been elected as office bearers of the Students' Council,
We, having been elected as the office bearers of the Students' Council,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that we will bear true faith and allegiance to the institution
that we will bear true faith and allegiance to the institution
as by rules established,
as by rules established,
that we will faithfully and conscientiously
that we will faithfully and conscientiously
discharge our duties as office bearers,
discharge our duties as office bearers,
and that
and that
we do right to all manner of students
we do right to all manner of students
in accordance with the rules and regulations of the institution
in accordance with the rules and regulations of the institution,
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
affection or ill will.
affection or ill will.
Now the President Changappa MG will receive the badge from the President Swamiji. Vice President Skanda Sharma S. General Secretary Ayush Bopaiya KR. Joint Secretary Devanand Gowda KL. Now all the 18 secretaries of different departments take oath together. I request the principal to administer the oath of office.
We having been nominated as secretaries of the Students' Council,
We having been nominated as secretaries of the Students' Council,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that we will bear true faith and allegiance to the institution
that we will bear true faith and allegiance to the institution
as by rules established,
as by rules established,
that we will faithfully and conscientiously
that we will faithfully and conscientiously
discharge our duties as secretaries,
discharge our duties as secretaries,
and that
and that
we do right to all manner of students
we do right to all manner of students
in accordance with the rules and regulations of the institution
in accordance with the rules and regulations of the institution,
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
affection or ill will.
affection or ill will.
Secretary of the Shrine Department will receive the badge from the President Maharaj. Mohak Radar. Secretary Food Department Harshavardhan K. and Shreyas Gowda SR. Both are from Food Department. Dispensary Secretary Vijayasimha TK. Sports Department Dilip Raj. Literary Secretary Adarsh KR. Library Secretary Naganandan NS. Reading Room Secretary Abhishek Gowda J. Manual Work Secretary Nandish Patel YJ. Swimming Secretary Janan Belliyappa AP. Equipment Stores Akash P. Kogri. Laundry Department Yashas Balram K. Audio Visual Section Chirag Rao KV. Green Room Secretary Shashank BN. Uniform Stores Anjan Raghavendra U. Computer Section Akash Chittiyappa. Music Section Akash A. And Magazine Section Secretary Satvik Hosagowda. Thank you, Swamiji. Next program is group song by our students.
भारत नव भारत जय भारत नव भारत ಭಾರತದ ಜನ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಮನ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಒಂದಂತೆ ಬರಡಾಗದ ನೆಲ ಹರಿದಾಡುವ ಜಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರದೇನಂತೆ ಭಾರತದ ಜನ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಮನ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಒಂದಂತೆ ಬರಡಾಗದ ನೆಲ ಹರಿದಾಡುವ ಜಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರದೇನಂತೆ ಆ ಇವ ದಕ್ಷಿಣದವ ಅವ ಉತ್ತರದವ ಇವ ಸಿಕ್ಕನು ಖಾನಂತೆ ಇವ ದಕ್ಷಿಣದವ ಅವ ಉತ್ತರದವ ಇವ ಸಿಕ್ಕನು ಖಾನಂತೆ ಅವ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತನು ಇವ ಮುಸಲನು ಈ ಹಿಂದುವು ಬೇರಂತೆ ಅವ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತನು ಇವ ಮುಸಲನು ಈ ಹಿಂದುವು ಬೇರಂತೆ ಭಾರತದ ಜನ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಮನ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಒಂದಂತೆ ಬರಡಾಗದ ನೆಲ ಹರಿದಾಡುವ ಜಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರದೇನಂತೆ ಆ ನಡೆದಾಡುವ ನೆಲ ಹರಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದರಂತೆ ನಡೆದಾಡುವ ನೆಲ ಹರಿದಾಡುವ ಜಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದರಂತೆ ನಾವಾಡುವ ನುಡಿ ಬೇರೆನ್ನುವ ನಾವು ಭಾರತಿಗಿದೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ನಾವಾಡುವ ನುಡಿ ಬೇರೆನ್ನುವ ನಾವು ಭಾರತಿಗಿದೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಭಾರತದ ಜನ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಮನ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಒಂದಂತೆ ಬರಡಾಗದ ನೆಲ ಹರಿದಾಡುವ ಜಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರದೇನಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರದೇನಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರದೇನಂತೆ.
Now we have speech by the newly elected President of the Students' Council, Chiranjeevi Changappa MG.
A hearty welcome to one and all present here. Revered Swamijis, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Vidyashala is engulfed with various activities. Leadership is one of the major aspects which stands out in all activities in Vidyashala. Leadership is that part in a student's life which provides confidence, challenges, responsibilities, decision making, and a lot more. A great man once said, once you're a leader, the very way you think, the way you act, the way you feel, every single thing that you do affects hundreds and thousands of people. When such a privilege has been conferred upon an individual human being, I think it is the fundamental responsibility of every leader to do something about himself, to elevate himself in whichever way possible. It is very, very essential today. On this occasion, I would like to thank Revered Swamijis, respected teachers, who have taken a wonderful decision in conducting the election this time in spite of the pandemic. I sincerely once again thank the management who have exuberant efforts in making the elections 2021-2022 a great success. I also would like to seek the support and guidance of all the contestants for making this year a fruitful year. The elections went on very smooth. At least this year we had a chance to experience the election fervor in Vidyashala. Last but not the least, I show my utmost gratitude to each and every one of you present in this auditorium. It's because of you that I'm standing here and giving you a thanking speech. It's because of you that I'm elected as the Students' Council President of Sri Ramakrishna Vidyashala. Thereby, I thank the institution, Revered Swamijis, respected teachers, and all of you, my dear friends, in making the elections 2021-2022 a great success. May the blessings of the Holy Trio shower upon us always. Thank you one and all.
Now I request Most Revered Swami Muktidaranji Maharaj, Adhyaksha, Sri Ramakrishna Ashrama, Mysore, to deliver benedictory address.
सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु. Sri Ramakrishna Sharanam. Correspondent of this Vidyashala, Swami Yukteshananji Maharaj, other brother monks, Principal Balaji and the staff members, and my dear students. The election and the oath-taking ceremony of the Student Council for the year 2021 and 22 is just over, and our hearty thanks to all the participants and the staff and the returning officer SP Suresh for conducting the election in a very befitting manner, at a very short time, when we are all, under the great stress and compulsion of the corona pandemic norms and behaviors which the whole world and we in Vidyashala especially have to pass through to protect our health and yet conduct the proceedings of the school in a very befitting, dignified manner under these circumstances, and you all have done so creditably well. Vidyashala is known for the metal that is here in monastic setup, principal and staff, the students, and the years of the traditions has galvanized this institution to face any challenges that we need to face inevitably. So even under these circumstances, the proceedings of the school and election of the student council members, which has taken place in such a very graceful, simplified manner. So let us bear in mind that we all have a joint responsibility as not only the members of the student council, president, joint secretary, vice president, general secretary and joint secretary, along with the secretaries, form a core team to assist the management and the staff. Please see that you do your duties, assigned duties, under these special circumstances in a very responsible manner as per the specific guidance, and also know the need of the time and need of these circumstances. The foremost thing is to see that you protect your health, and not only you protect your health, you also, by right behavioral pattern guided by medical expert, you need to protect others' health also. Corona is a pandemic in which it compels everybody to be on their own without any socialization much. So what does it indicate? The corona pandemic, which has, like a world war, it has invaded the world, countries after countries, lakhs and lakhs have died and all that. And so much of restraint and confining to the home and online schools, everything is online. Everybody has to be alone, themselves indoor. Perhaps nature wants us. There was too much of socialization, too much of reckless movement, so much of carelessness. There is the need to return to our own inner self. We have come alone in this world. We go alone to the unknown place. In between, we are in a big group. This journey of all of us from aloneness to a lonely journey to the unknown has to be born in the mind, and we need to strengthen our inner journey, turning within ourselves. There is a world. I hope Corona must have triggered. When you meet people, when you talk, when you blah blah, mind becomes extrovert. When you remain alone, when we draw, when you observe your mind, your individuality, and what is within, what is within, what is within, then you will explore an inner world, a greater world, a subtler world. Perhaps this kind of an endemic which compels billions of us to be withdrawn and indrawn as a message. Turn inwards. There is a great wealth within. There is the light of knowledge, the light of consciousness, the divinity within. It's a great privilege to know our own inner divine core before we kick off this body. So this call of the corona to withdraw ourselves to our own inner self is a one important message, and students with your bright intellect, a searching intellect, a penetrating intellect must be able to identify and see that this journey we start, it is a inner learning to look within. And the Student Council President has given a beautiful address. Every word, every sentence, the whole approach was so fine, simple, brief, and to the point. So he spoke about the leadership, the responsibility of a leader, and how we need to really own the responsibility and do our work. So my hearty congratulations to the President and the Vice President and the elected members and the selected secretaries. May Holy Trio Mother Chamundeshwari bless them to do their duties properly. May we all pray to the Divine to see that Vidyashala is protected, there is no outbreak of any kind of a pandemic or disease anymore. Have supreme confidence that you, by your auto-suggestion and behavior, two things, by your inner confidence and right type of, either diet or all the behavioral pattern which the doctors and medical experts have given us, let us implicitly follow them and see that we protect ourselves. Protecting yourself is also protecting Vidyashala. Vidyashala has to get going now till the March-April end. You have to take on to the examination, to study. We have simplified the routine to minimize the movement and so many other things. So see that, understand all this. Any kind of a indiscipline among ourselves may invite the virus. So please see that your 24 hours and all activities, one is giving your mind to the studies, your mind to God, giving your mind to the health care. Thus, see that you follow the simplified routine of Vidyashala and see that this itself is a great experience. This, a kind of an austerity that you have to practice, in the long run, this also will help you. This is a special training that we all need to have, a special mental training, mental discipline of a very, very cautious, a behavior devoid of any kind of a recklessness, calm, serene, indrawn, majestic, simple, and definitely it will pave way to a beautiful, good collective life here in Vidyashala for this year 21-22. My hearty congratulations to all of you. God bless you. Thank you.
Pranam Swamiji for your enlightening benediction. The last item of this program is vote of thanks by our senior physics lecturer, Shri K.S. Murugesh sir.
It's my pleasure and privilege to be a part of Sri Ramakrishna Vidyashala Students' Council 2021-22 inauguration and propose a vote of thanks. As elected office bearers and nominated secretaries of various departments of Vidyashala Students' Council, each one has entered into a responsible position officially from today onwards, in addition to as a responsible student primarily. Each member has to contribute to the smooth functioning of the institution and work to enhance the quality in all aspects of their functioning. At the outset, especially this year, in the context of apparently receding pandemic situation. I use the word apparently simply because probably the fear of a pandemic is not so effective in us. So apparently receding pandemic situation, I thank the Almighty. We are able to rebound back to vigor and functionality. We are able to rebound back to vigor and functionality. May the Holy Trio protect all of us is my earnest prayer on this occasion. On behalf of the institution, I offer respects and extend a hearty thanks to our chief guest, most revered Swami Muktidananji Maharaj, Adhyaksha Ramakrishna Ashrama Mysore, for having accepted our invitation to grace the occasion today and sparing time from his busy schedule. Revered Swamiji, your advice and words of wisdom, doing the assigned duty, being health conscious 24/7, especially during this pandemic time, the need for an inward journey in each one of us to be a good individual, apart from our external journey, are very valuable to us, Swamiji. We thank you once again, revered Swamiji. Revered Swami Yukteshananji Maharaj, our correspondent, has been a source of encouragement and support in conducting all the activities of Vidyashala. Swamiji, we thank you for your guidance and in organizing today's program and also for your gracious presence. A special mention to our principal, Sri Balaji, for being the stimulus to design the program and monitor all the rehearsals so that everyone involved bring out their best on this occasion. We thank you for your work, sir. It is in the order of things and my duty to mention and thank all those who are involved, namely Swamijis, faculty members, students, supporting staff, who carried out their work very well to make this function a success. Last but not the least, my due thanks to all the audience who add a sense of completeness to this program. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Murugesh sir. Dear friends, we conclude our program singing Shanti Mantra. All of you please stand up in your place in attention. We all sing together. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Thank you.